Welcome to Defy Logic, where we hear about and talk about people who dare to overcome life's most challenging obstacles. I'm Bryant Lee, and I'll be your guide on this journey. So hang tight while we inspire you, challenge you, and dare you to defy logic.
There was a boy born in a small rural village, mixed-raced, poor, and often mocked by both sides for not being enough. His father was white, his mother black, and in time where that difference created division, he found himself growing up in between without a place that truly felt like home. But from a young age, he discovered something powerful: music. Not the kind that just fills the room, but the kind that fills the soul. He believed music could speak when words failed. While others threw fists, he threw lyrics. While others built walls, he built rhythms that connected the oppressed to each other. Violence tried to silence him. He sang louder. Poverty tried to crush him. He danced harder. At one point in his life, this man was shot just days before he was supposed to perform at a concert meant to promote peace between warring political factions. Most people would have canceled. Most people would have walked away. But not him. With bandages covering his wounds, he stepped on the stage and delivered one of the most powerful performances of his life. When someone asked him why, he said, "The people who are trying to make this world worse are not taking a day off. How can I?" His voice echoed far beyond the island he came from. It crossed oceans, broke language barriers, and awakened movements. But behind the music, behind the fame, there was always a deeper fight. A war for unity, for peace, for justice, and for spiritual freedom. He didn't just sing to entertain. He sang to awaken, to confront, and to uplift through racism, poverty, betrayal, and even a terminal illness. He remained committed to one thing: the belief that you can't change the world until you change your mind. His songs became hymns of hope. His dreadlocks, a crown of rebellion. His life, a sermon of courage. Though he died young, his voice has never been silenced, and neither has his mission. Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. That's not just a lyric. It's a declaration, a challenge, a wake-up call. You may know his name now, but don't let it be just another name in history. Let it be a reminder. My name is Bob Marley. What's your Goliath? Change your thinking. Change yourself. Change your world. Defy logic.
Have a story about overcoming a Goliath or changing your thinking, yourself, and your world? We want to hear from you. Let your story motivate others to face their Goliaths and defy logic.